Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking an early look, thanks to Culture Kings, on the Goldenrod colorway on the Nike Dunk Low Retros. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out. As you know, we are doing our 25 days of sneaker countdown. So definitely hit that notification bell so that you're alerted as soon as we have any of our videos uploaded. Also, check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. Today is day 13. We are more than halfway through. Oh my goodness, it feels like it's taking forever to get to Christmas, or maybe it's just actually going quite fast. So let's just make our way over to the advent calendar and see what Yoda has to offer us here. Oh, he's so cute. A little season's greeting on this one. How adorable is that? All right, and for those of you who missed out on the past 12 shoes, I'm gonna be kind enough to review it for you. So here goes nothing. Goldenrod Dunks, Adidas Terex, Free Hikers, Cool Grey 11, Sakai Nike Waffles, Call Sakai Blazers, Carpet Company SBs, New Balance Soleil Bambries, Faded Ozer Yeezys, New Balance 993s by Amelie Andor. All my Money Ones, Off-White Air Max 90s, Coca Blazers, and a pair of Off-White Prestos. Whew, this is really getting hard. Day 13. We'll see if I can make it through all 25 sneakers that I review. But definitely go back, check out those videos if you have not already. Today we are going to be talking about the Goldenrods. This again is set to release on Thursday, so we have a couple day early look. Even though I've had these for a bit, I've just been so backed up. But thank you again to the Culture Kings family for sending me these my way. We're going to do the overview of this really bright pop of color, talk about size and fit on these, and then I'm going to talk about styling. All the pieces that I have are from Culture King, so be sure to check out that description box down below. Be sure to post all of those links to all the items that I styled the Goldenrods with. And actually, before we get started, I want to talk about some amazing stocking stuffers that you can find on Culture King's website. So this is actually the really cool tin box that I've got here. Let me just open this up for you guys to see. But this is actually sneaker wipes. So I'm always, you know, getting my sneakers dirty, and this is the perfect stocking stuffer if you are looking to just have something that you can, you know, carry around with you. And if you do end up spilling on your sneakers, or you want to clean them off real quick because something has dramatically happened, somebody stepped on your foot, which happens to me all the time. I don't know why, but people love stepping on me. You can carry around this really thin packaged sneaker wipe. Again, you can get these on the Culture King site. This is an awesome stocking stuffer as far as little cute gifts to get for your friends and family. If you're not feeling that, then we also have another really cool package here that I'm going to open up and show you. This is another cleaning product, which we can't have too many cleaning products, can we? So this is the shoe freshener. Look how cool this is. So you actually are going to place this inside of each sneaker. So we've got two balls here. Look how cool this is. For those of you who want to freshen up those feet and keep them smelling nice and fresh and good and healthy, definitely have to snag these. Look how cute these are. So, oh, they smell really good. You just stick these inside your sneakers and it keeps them fresh. So definitely check out my links below and get these for the holiday season. These are great gifts. Also, be sure to use my link when you do purchase any items on the Culture Kings website. You will get a pair of these crease-free little pieces here that are amazing to keep you from creasing that toe box region. So definitely use that promo code in the description box if you do make any purchases on the Culture King website. All right, let's get into this overview. So again, this is the Goldenrods. We've seen this colorway before. This is one of the first colors ever used on the Dunks, and this was back in 1985. So the original, what was known as the Iowa color, which is the same color as this, was part of the Be True to Your School collection, and now we're seeing it retroed here on the Dunk, and I really like this color. It's just kind of got this orangey yellow vibe to it. Matches actually this hoodie to a T, but I do like how it's paired with the black. Definitely has a simplistic black toe box here. Then we've got just a nice smooth leather on the front in that goldenrod colorway. We've got the goldenrod laces to match that, and then we have the nylon tongue in black with more accents of the goldenrod colorway on the Nike and swoosh side. So let's look at those details and then we'll move on to the side panels. So moving on to the side panels, we've got underlays of the black leather, overlays of the goldenrod, and that pop of goldenrod color scheme on the swoosh mark. Working our way to the back, we have the embroidered Nike in black, and then we've got the same color combination on the other side of the shoe. The insole has a nice pop of orange for the Nike and the swoosh logo, and then the insole itself is just plain black. The shoe is then complete with a white crisp midsole and that goldenrod for the outsole. All right, let's look at those details, then move on to sizing. So I am a men's 7.5. I would say stick true to size on this one. I do have high arch narrow feet, so depending on what type of foot you are, if it's flat and wider, then this could differentiate a size that works best for you. But on this one, if you do have a similar foot shape and size to mine, I would definitely say stick true to size on this one. All right, let's move along into how I styled this. So all the pieces that I styled this really cool colorway with are all from the Culture Kings website. So if you love anything that I wore in this episode, be sure to check out the description box below. I'll definitely have all the links to all of the pieces that I wore. So starting with the first look, I wanted to do just some colors that I saw in the shoe, and that is this hoodie that I'm wearing. So this is a Champion hoodie, and this is literally the goldenrod colorway, so I had to get this. It matches perfectly with the shoe itself, but this is just a very comfortable hoodie. I paired it with some just vintage Champion reverse weave sweatpants. Again, you can find those pieces on the Culture King website, but I do think that they have a nice variety of Champion pieces, and I think that this is the perfect hoodie if you want to match this shoe to a T.
Yeah. We back. Yeah.
The GP will see you now.
Look, free to return to that emo rap. Ain't no kilo low stash, Augusta's son had a reload that.
All right, so for the second look, I wore a pair of denim wide leg jeans from their in-house brand 23. I then paired that with a vintage looking anime tee, which has some of the Goldenrod colorway in it. So I wanted to bring some colors that really accented the shoe quite nicely. Then I also layered that with an anti-order puffer coat that kind of has a nice sheen to it.
Daddy gone, but his legacy strong. How do you figure? I too thought I'd be dead, all things considered, but I'm living, thriving and growing, fighting opponents that I'm with it, striving to know who died for the lowest. Don't you get it? The industry hopers try to control us, I ain't with it. I got me a goal that's highly explosive with my wife and my baby. What I'm writing is weighty. Call me Esso or Bebenberg. They knighting me lately. Stand where the light is.
For the last and final look, I wore some patchwork denim from the 23 brand, and then I paired that with a 23 turtleneck cropped shirt, and I layered that with a leather button-down shirt to just really pull from the black hues and the black leather in the shoe.
Where the light is, feeling lighter, delighted, and maybe I'm getting grown. Nothing wrong with Bible and Bailey's. I open up the text, got my mind closer off the edge. Goes the architect. I ain't gotta go to your connect. I gotta go direct. Him and I through the sun up. I say him and I, bless up, rest. Has the right perspective. Back when I was driving a Vectra, my mind was on the setup and ease. No time for the let up and breeze. Young man with a vision, my ammunition was let off and squeeze. Talking no about it, so exotic. Go to mile and never hold a product. Though we wildin', we was on the island wave. Fast forward now today.
All right, so you let me know down below what was your favorite out of the three, or how would you style these? And then again, just a big shout out for Culture Kings for sending me some clothes to pair quite nicely with this shoe to make it just really pop and complete the look from head to toe.
They may be blind to me, just wait and see. Just wait and see. Just wait and see. To all the haters, those filled with jealousy, the naysayers, prayers for defeat. But we'll make ladders out of obstacles and stepping stones from roadblocks. Leap over the lines to say we won't cross. We'll trick canyons like they're nothing. They won't see us coming. Scale all of the walls they built to hold us. We may be invisible, but we'll be unmistakable. We may be invisible. They may be blind to me, just wait and see. Just wait and see.
All right, so again, these are going to be releasing on the Sneakers app on Thursday. They will be released on other sites as well, so definitely do your research and check on any place that you think would be dropping these and set your alarm clock, because this is definitely a great pop of color if you want to add this to your sneaker collection. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you were new here today, thanks for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out, as well as check out that join button for our membership perks, as well as our merch store. Again, thank you so much to the Culture King family for always thinking about me and sending sneakers and clothes my way. I always appreciate you, and check out the description box below for any of the items that I discussed in today's episode. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you all next time.
And put those presents beneath the tree, 'cause baby, it's that time of